And a good Tuesday morning to you. It's 4:47 here, getting ready for more rain in that forecast, and there's going to be plenty of it over the next couple of days. Let's start with radar. There's not a lot going on here in the metro, but down along the coast and over on the Mississippi coast, we've got some showers and storms. Down towards Houma, you're getting some rain right now. But look at this. The entire state of Louisiana is going to get rain at some point today. It's raining pretty good out towards the north, out towards Alexandria, and off towards Lake Charles. This is our disturbance that's slowly making its way towards us, so our rain chances I think will be highest later on today. So through the morning, just some spotty showers here and there, but through the afternoon, notice much higher chances of some storms, about a 70% chance. And while they are going to be moving some, they're going to be dumping some heavy rain. So the main thing we'll be watching for is localized street flooding. Things wind down tonight, and then we do it all over again tomorrow. We do it all over again on Thursday. So stormy pattern through Thursday, and a lot of this is going to fall during the daytime hours. During the middle part of the day as we heat things up, that'll be our highest chance of rain. There will be some in the morning hours, there will be some in the evening, but I think the majority of it comes during the daytime. Notice Friday and Saturday, things start to trend back to more seasonal hit or miss storms, and that'll be for the upcoming weekend. Main thing we're watching for is locally heavy rain. There's a lot of deep tropical moisture through today. There will be some pockets of probably 2 to 4 inches. That's where you get your street flooding, but some of you may not get half an inch or so. So that's just something we'll watch for. Now, tomorrow and through Thursday, you add up all these totals. We could have some hefty totals by the end of this event. By the end of Thursday, notice lots of purples there. That's anywhere from 4 to 8 to 9 inches. In a few locations. So some pretty heavy rain for some, whereas others, you may be more like 1 to 2 inches, just depending on if you miss those heavy downpours 1 or 2 of those days. So lots of deep tropical moisture overhead. That's here through Thursday. By Friday, we'll see a little break in that deep tropical moisture, but then look at this. Tropical wave in the southern Gulf this weekend. Not really expecting this to develop, it doesn't look like, but it will bring some moisture probably up towards Texas and maybe the northern Gulf Coast by the beginning of next week, so Sunday and into Monday. Now, deeper in the tropics, we are continuing to track Invest 90. This is a very unorganized tropical wave. Notice there's hardly any storms with it this morning. It will have an opportunity probably today and tomorrow to retry to organize some, but the further west it gets, right in here by the end of the work week, it's going to run into a lot of wind shear, and that's probably going to keep it from really organizing much. So there's a low chance it tries to organize, but it doesn't look like it's going to do much, at least for the next 5 days or so. We'll track it long term, but in the near term, it may try to organize in the next 48 hours and maybe 72 hours, but the chances of that happening do look pretty low. Elsewhere in the tropics, there's some more tropical waves coming off the continent of Africa. We'll track those long term, but obviously not an immediate threat. And the next location I think we're going to be watching, and the Hurricane Center, they may highlight this in the next couple of days. It's this area of showers and storms associated with a wave that looks like it's going to try to get into the Caribbean towards this weekend. We got a long time to watch this one, but models are starting to pick up on that one, maybe for some development into the end of the month and in early September. Keyword, we got a long time, our key messaging there, we got a long time to watch it. No immediate threats to us. That's some great news. We are in our stormy pattern, though, with temperatures in the mid-80s, but as rain chances start to drop for the weekend, temperatures start to climb. April?